Hey subbies, I can't wait to share with you the newest thing that I got. I am super excited to share this with you because I've been waiting for this for weeks. I am so happy to be able to finally share this with you, and I don't want to keep anyone in suspense any longer because I am super excited about this and I couldn't wait to share. I've got a PS5! I am super excited about this. I've got the PS5, the disc edition. I got the bundle from GameStop. It comes with a DualSense wireless controller, two games, the Show 21, and Returnal. I am also equally excited to be able to show you what is in the box of the PlayStation 5, so let's get into that. Let's get into what comes in the PlayStation 5 box. The PlayStation 5, and there's the disk drive here on the bottom. And here we have the power supply, HDMI, Ethernet port, and two USBs. The controller, the micro USB cable for charging the controller, the HDMI cord for connecting the system to your television, power cable, I am super excited that I got to share this PlayStation 5 unboxing video with you. I am super grateful to have this system. I can't wait to play it, and I can't wait to give updates on the system in future videos, as well as some PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4 video game collections. They will be coming soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. I would love it if you would give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing, fantastic, wonderful, incredible videos that I have to share with each and every one of you. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I don't want you to miss any of them. I would also really love it if you would follow me on my social media. My Instagram is Comedy Creation. I love to share library hauls, book reviews, and some fantastic food photos. Follow me on Twitter. My Twitter is Comedy Addict. I love to play hashtag games, but I also love interacting with each and every one of you fantastic followers. My newest addition to my social media is my Facebook page. My Facebook page is Papa Apple. On my Instagram stories, I also will include the newest thumbnail for my upcoming YouTube videos and a countdown, so that when you click on the Remind Me option, it will turn on a reminder and let you know when the new video will be going live in your time zone. All of my social media will be linked in the description box down below. I am super grateful and super excited that I got to share this wonderful PlayStation 5 unboxing video and what was in the PlayStation 5 bundle that I got from GameStop. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4 video games are. I'd love to know. I can't wait to see you in the next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, subbies.